Okay, kids, I wanted to get this video out to you. Tomorrow, or actually, I'm probably on Friday, I'm going to be starting division, but I wanted to give us just a one more day where we are practicing multiplying with the array model. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another sample of 35 times 63, and this is a little bit harder. I'm going to do this in front of you, and then I'm going to give you a choice of two problems that you can then do and send me a picture through class portfolio or through messages. Okay, so I've got 35 times 63, and I'm going to start off by making a rectangle like I've done before. And I'm going to again be splitting up the first number into its place value, so it will be 30 and 5. And then I'll be splitting up the 63 into place value parts. So I'll have 60 and 3. Now, it does not matter which way you do. You could start over in this rectangle. It doesn't matter. I tend to just go from left to right, kind of like how I read. So I'm going to be multiplying 30 times 60. I know that 3 times 6 is 18. And then I have a 0 here, so I need to make sure I have a 0 in my product, and I have another 0 there. Okay, so 30 times 60 equals 1800. Then I'm going to multiply 60 times 5. Well, I know that 6 times 5 is 30, but then I have that other 0 in the factor, so I need to make sure I have another 0 here. This sometimes can trick kids because we forget about the extra 0. Then I'm going to multiply 30 times 3. Well, I know that 3 times 3 is 9, so therefore 3 times 30 would be 90, and my zeros equal. Okay, then my last one is 3 times 5, which is 15. Then all I need to do is add all 4 of my partial products till I get my final product. So I am just going to stack my numbers. I'm making sure again that I have my place values all lined up, so my ones, my tens, my hundreds, and my thousands. So all of this equals 5. And then I have 9 plus 1 is 10. Yep, I don't want to make a mistake here. Yep, okay, and then I add up my other one there, and I have 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 3 is 2, and then I add my other number up there, and my answer for 35 times 63 is 2,205. Okay, so this should be feeling pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a choice. Okay, so you can give me the answer. I would like you to solve using the array method or partial products, for either 14 times 26. This is the easier problem. Okay, you can see the numbers are smaller. Or if you're feeling like you would like a challenge, you can do 59 times 87. You get to choose. Now, I know that there are some kids that you're going to be saying, Ms. B, can I do both? Of course you can do both. But I'd rather you do one well than two where you're not so sure. So if you're not as sure, this would be a good choice. If you're feeling pretty flexible and feeling pretty confident, you can do the second choice. Okay, kids, you can send me your work through class portfolio or through messages. Okay, bye, kids.